Hey everybody, I've got 4 of these Intimidator, these Chauvet spot LED 350s, and really like them. I ran into a problem at a gig last weekend where all of a sudden the LED light source stopped working, but the fixture still continued to work. You know, it would do pan and tilt, and the fuse wasn't blown. All the wheels moved, but the LED just wouldn't come on. So I checked into returning it in service and the cost of packaging it up and not knowing what it was. So not too many videos on YouTube that show taking it apart and troubleshooting it. So I figured what I do is just take a look at it and plugged it in, powered it up, connected it to a controller, DMX controller, assigned it to address number 1. And I looked inside the lens and I could see the LED just barely on. And so popped a couple covers on it, on the base, which is real easy to get off. There's 4 screws and 4 screws on the actual fixture, the moving part of the unit. Looked inside, made sure all the connections were good on the LED board, which is on the back of the unit. I'll spin it around so you can see it. There's the LED unit right there with the heat sink. And you take the fan off and pull it out. There's a connector on the side. You just have to be careful of the connections on it, and you can get to the LED. So I took it apart. Everything looked really good. Nothing was loose, but again, the lamp didn't come on very strong. It was very dim. So I took this cover off here and started tapping with the screwdriver. These are the strike cables to the power supply, and the power supply is over here on this side actually, and the control for it, the dim and the heat sensor for the LED and the fan wires. And when I tapped on the wires, the light all of a sudden jumped on real bright, so I knew I had a bad connection. And here's what I did. I went down to the negative side of the LED, which is this black one here, the black cable. There's the positive side, the white one is in there as well, and they're separated by on this screw block terminal. So I tapped strong here and realized I had a bad connection. The crimp was bad, so simply re-crimped it, screwed it back down to the terminal strip, made sure tested it several times on and off, picked it up and powered it on and off, and it seems to have cured it. So if you run into that problem where the fixture's working, the fuse is good, you know you're getting DMX data to it, but the lamp's not coming on, check the connections on the front side, on the control panel side, the spot 350. Hope that helps you out. Thanks.